Hello kids! Since you already know about the properties of multiplication, therefore, this time, we are going to discuss about the multiplication facts of 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. So are you ready? Let's start! Did you know that goldfish are a common household pet? They remain gold when they kept in a pond or in a bowl with enough lighting, but it loses their color if they are kept in dim light or if they are placed in a body of running water such as a stream. Suppose in a fish section, there are 5 fish bowls with 3 goldfish each. For us to find the total number of fishes, first we are going to write the multiplication sentence. Again, in writing the multiplication sentence, the first factor is the number of groups. Now let's count how many groups do we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So since we have 5 fish bowls, we will have 5 number of groups. Now let's have the second factor, which is the number of objects in each group. So how many fish do we have in each fish bowl? Great job! We have 3. Now 5 times 3, what is the total number of objects? Or what is the total number of goldfish? Very good, that is 15. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. We can also skip count by 3, just like this. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Therefore, 5 times 3 is equal to 15. How about if we have this? To find the total number of cookies, we are going to write first the multiplication sentence. Again, the first factor will be the number of groups. So how many groups do we have here? You're right, that is 4. The second factor will be the number of objects in each group. So how many cookies do we have in each plate? Correct, that is 5. So 4 times 5, what is the total number of objects? To find the product, we can use the skip counting by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So therefore, 4 times 5 is equal to 20. How about this one? 8 times 2 is equal to blank. To find the product, we can use the skip counting by 2 until we reach the 8th number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 8 times 2 is equal to 16. How about if we have 6 times 4 is equal to blank? So what do you think the skip counting that we are going to use here? So we are going to use the skip counting by 4. So let's start counting, skip counting by 4 until we reach the 6th number. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Another example, we have 7 times 10 is equal to blank. Now let's try skip counting by 10 until we reach the 7 multiple. Let's start counting. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 7 times 10 is equal to 70. How about this example? 9 times 10 is equal to blank. So what is the product? We can use the skip counting by 10 until we reach the 9th multiple. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 9 times 10 is equal to 90. Great job kids! Now I want you to familiarize and memorize this multiplication table. Table of 2. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. And 2 times 10 is equal to 20. Now let's have the table of 3. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. And 3 times 10 is equal to 30. Now let's have the table of 4. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. And 4 times 10 is equal to 40. Now let's have the table of 5. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. 5 times 9 is equal to 45. And 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Now let's have the skip
Table of
counting
10.
by 10. 10 times 1 is equal to 10. 10 times 2 is equal to 20. 10 times 3 is equal to 30. 10 times 4 is equal to 40. 10 times 5 is equal to 50. 10 times 6 is equal to 60. 10 times 7 is equal to 70. 10 times 8 is equal to 80. 10 times 9 is equal to 90. And 10 times 10 is equal to 100. If you find it difficult, you can watch again this video. And I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.